Hey, hey, Yukis outside! So today we talk about legato style, which means smooth and fluently playing. So if you haven't studied my last tutorials where we did learn the scales, major, minor, harmonic, minor, and the hammer-ons and pull-offs, please stop now, go back, and if you're familiar with that style, we choose this technique, the legato one. So anyway, we learned last week hammer-ons and pull-offs. So now we try to get more familiar with like a pyramid style to practice more the fluently and smooth hops on the next key. So we start on the third string from index to middle finger with a hammer on. Then third string from index to ring. And the first string from index to the bloody pinky. Okay. I repeat. Third string, index to middle, second string, index to ring, first string, index to pinky. And then we do pull-offs and we do reverse. So first string, pinky to index, third string, middle to index, ring to index, and second string, the middle to index. I repeat. First string, pinky to index. Second string, ring to index. First string, ring to index. And then you do the whole thing together. Okay, practice this stuff to get used to it. And next week we're gonna integrate it in the scale. Whoopsie. So just practice it slowly to figure out what you can change in smoothness that it's gonna be a legato style. Have fun. See you soon. Doña, and I love you.